How to view your Snapchat friends count. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So here, as you can see, I am already on my Snapchat app, so make sure that you log in here too. So I will quickly go out of here, so make sure that you do that also. So from here you have to go to your location, which is at the left bottom corner. And then here you have to click on the gear from the right top corner, which is settings. And then make sure that you disable the ghost mode, because we want your friends to see your location. And this way we will see how many friends you have. So here you have to choose at who can see my location. Choose only these friends, so don't select my friends, select only these friends. So once you select that, you have to select all of them, so click on the select all button, and after that you have to click save. I only have one friend, as you can see, so it's really easy for me to count. But if you have many friends, then this is the way to see how many friends you have. So click on save, and after that we can go back and then go to our profile. So from here you have to click on left top corner and then scroll down, and at this snap map here you can see sharing location with one friend. And if you have 20 friends or 100 friends, here we say sharing location with 100 friends or 20 friends. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to comment down below if you have some questions. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.